My name is Ali, Ali. My name is Ali, Ali. I have a long trunk and two little eyes. My name is Ali, Ali. My name is Ali, Ali. My name is Ali, Ali. I have a long trunk and two little eyes. My name is Ali, Ali. Hi everyone, how do you feel today? Oh great! Today we are going to learn about letter E. What we are going to learn? Letter E. Do you remember our last lesson? Which letter we have learnt? All about letter D. Today we are going to learn all about letter E. I am going to teach you how to write letter E, the sound of letter E, word starts with letter E, polyphonic song of letter E, and what are the hands-on activities we can do for letter E. Are you ready? Here we go. Letter E is a vowel. As you all know, there are two types of letters, uppercase and lowercase. First, I will show you how to write uppercase E. Now you all know this is our headline and this is our leg line. These two blue lines we are calling as tummy lines. First, I will show you how to write uppercase E. We'll start from the headline and come down to the second tummy line or standing line. Go back to the top, small sleeping line on the headline and first tummy line also a sleeping line and down tummy line also a sleeping line. These three lines are small. One more time, a standing line starting from the headline, it goes to the second tummy line, stop it and go back to the top, a sleeping line, tummy line, a sleeping line, a small sleeping line. Are you ready to practice with me? Take these two fingers, we'll go yes, standing line, up to the second tummy line, yes, go back to the top, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. This we call as Mama E, uppercase E, big E. Now I am going to show you how to write lowercase e. We'll start from the middle of the two tummy lines, a small sleeping line, go round and stop. One more time, a small sleeping line and go round and stop. We will not go beyond from the two tummy lines. Take these two fingers. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes, sleeping line, go round and stop. Sleeping line, go round and stop. This letter we call as baby E, small e, simple e. Do they look same? No. Even though they look different, they make the same sound. What is the sound of letter E? Ah. What is the sound of letter E? Ah. Now you know how to write letter E and the sound of letter E. Now let's see what are the words starts with letter E. Number 1. Elephant. Elephant is the largest land animal. It has a long trunk and flat ears, small eyes. Elephant is brown or grey in color. If the elephant has tusks, we are calling tusker. Number 2, elbow. Elbow is a body part. Actually, it is the joint between forearm and the upper arm. Number 3, egg. Egg is a small oval or round shaped object covered by a hard shell. Birds are laying the eggs. Especially we are talking about chicken eggs. It's a healthy food and inside there's a yellow part. We're calling that part as egg yolk. Do you like to eat eggs? Oh, me too. Number 4, Eskimo. Eskimos are living in Antarctica continent and they live in igloo houses. Mostly they are eating sealfish. Do you remember? We sang a song about Eskimos. Number 5, envelope. A flat paper container with a sealable flap used to enclose the letter, card or a document. Now you all know what are the words starts with letter E. The sound of letter E and the formation of letter E. Are you ready to remind what are the words we have learned today? Number 1, elephant. Yes. Number 2, elbow. Yes. Number 3, egg. Number 4, Eskimo. Yes. Number 5, envelope. Yes. Good job. Do you want to see how to fry the eggs? Let's see how to fry the eggs. Hi children, I'm going to fry an egg. I kept the saucepan and it's heating. I'm going to add little oil. Yes, it's done. Now I'm going to crack the egg and put. See, when the egg is cracking, the sound comes. Now my egg is ready. Can you see the egg yolk? Yellow color. The other parts, white color. Are you ready to sing the jolly phonic song with me? 1, 2, 3, start. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this. Now we all know how to write letter E, the sound of letter E, the word starts with letter E, and the jolly phonic song of letter E. Are you ready to do the hands-on activities? Hi children, are you ready to do the hands-on activities with me? This is fine salt. Today I am going to use fine salt to write letter E. Instead of fine salt, you can use semolina, squishy bags, Play-Doh, clay, as per your choice. Now I will show you how to write uppercase E. Yes, you can use popsicle stick to write, or else you can use your finger. First I will show you how to write uppercase E. A standing line. Yes. Go back to the top. Yes, small sleeping line, middle sleeping line, and the end also sleeping line. Yes. Lowercase e, a sleeping line, go round and stop. This is uppercase e and this is lowercase e. Now I will show you how to write by your finger. Now I'm going to level my tray. Oh, it's done. Yes. Then come down, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, lowercase c, sleeping line, go round and stop. Yes, it's done. Before start handwriting, you have to practice hands-on activities with your mom. My next lesson is letter F. Before my next lesson, please practice letter E with your mama. See you soon. Bye-bye.